The 10th board results are out and most of you are happy. And some of you are thinking, I should have done better. This is when this year most students are thinking, should I give the second attempt for improvement of my 10th board marks? In this video, we will understand what the CBSE second board exam means, when you should consider giving it, and whether it is necessary to consider giving the second attempt for board exam. Let us understand what the CBSE second attempt or improvement exam means. Well, this year CBSE has announced that there is a possibility that students can improve their marks from their previous board exam if they are not happy for at most 3 subjects by giving an improvement exam that starts from May 15th onwards. In your final result that will be scored, it will not be mentioned whether you have given the improvement exam or you have given the actual board exam. Only the best of both the scores would be considered. Given this information, when you should consider giving your second board exam. These are the below cases where you should consider giving the improvement exam. You have got very low marks in one of the most important subjects, mostly science or maths or social, whichever is important, and you have got very low marks despite consistent and good preparation. And if you feel that you can still prepare well and score better. Second, if there is a stream eligibility issue based on your score marks of one particular subject where improvement can help you get those additional marks and you can select the stream of your choice. Third case, you were stressed or sick in the first exam and improvement is only going to help you to score much better. The first exam was compulsory and if you hadn't given it, you wouldn't be able to give the improvement. But if you were very sick or very tired or felt pressured and went blank during the first exam, the improvement can help you score better marks in the second attempt. This is one of the actual reason why CBSE had started the improvement exam. So consider giving it if you were not in a better mood on the first exam. Let us see when it might not be necessary to give the second attempt. Do not try to give improvement just to increase your score by 4 or 5 marks, as it is too much effort to restart the entire preparation. Get yourself back into the momentum and try giving just for a small mark improvement which may or may not happen. Consider it only if you are looking for a good improvement in 10 to 20 marks. If your marks are already decent, remember that your 10th board exam result will not be considered beyond your 11th class admission. Most colleges consider 12th exam result than 10th result for your future admissions. So focus on future rather than wondering how to score the remaining 2 or 3 marks that you have missed. Second, if you have already started your class 11th preparation and you are already in it, it wouldn't be ideal to go back and study back everything to give an improvement where you would not really gain much as you have already moved to the future and thinking ahead. So these are the important questions you should ask yourself before deciding to give improvement or not. Can I realistically improve my marks by 10 to 20 marks by giving improvement? Second, will again preparing for class 10th affect my 11th studies that are currently going on? Do I really need higher marks than what I have got in my 10th for my 11th admission to get the stream I want or the subject I choose? Thinking about these questions will help you make the right decision. Most important thing to remember here is class 10th marks are not the final and the ultimate judgment of your potential. What you do from here matters more. There are many students with average marks in 10th and have scored really well in 11th and 12th, as you need to start looking out to the future. Instead of worrying too much about the past, build focus, look forward and focus more on your 11th studies if your marks in 10th are decent. So ultimately, if you're confused about whether to take the improvement or not, think through the questions we have discussed, and if you further have any questions, you can always put it down in the comment below where I can help you whether to decide to go for the improvement or not. What matters most now is how you prepare for your next stage of journey. Only consider improvement if it is absolutely necessary. Stay positive, stay focused, move forward with confidence. Comment below on if you have any issues regarding deciding how you would want to go ahead with this improvement exam. Like this video, share it with your other 10th board friends. Until then, subscribe to the channel. This is Gayatri signing off. See you in the next one.